Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: Python or Anaconda installed and Chrome up to date. Open your terminal or command prompt and change directory to the folder where you want notebooks. Once there, type Jupyter Notebook and press Enter to start the server. You'll see a local URL like http://localhost 8888. Make sure Chrome is your default or copy the URL. If you used Anaconda, you can also launch from Anaconda Navigator. Both approaches start the same server that Chrome will connect to. Once the server is running, paste the local URL into Chrome and hit Enter. You'll see the file browser. Click New, then Python 3 to create a notebook or open an existing. IPN to continue. Make sure to select the correct kernel from the kernel menu so your code runs in the expected Python environment. To improve workflow, install useful Chrome-friendly Jupyter extensions like Table of Contents and Variable Inspector. They load in the Notebook UI and speed up navigation and debugging. You'll execute code by selecting a cell and pressing Shift plus Enter. Make a habit of saving with Control plus S or File Save and Checkpoint. When you're done, stop the Jupyter server in terminal using Control plus C and confirm termination. This frees the port. If Chrome cannot connect, first restart the notebook kernel from the kernel menu, then restart the server. If issues persist, check firewall settings and ensure port 8888 isn't blocked, because blocked ports are the most common cause of connection failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.